How to use Google Lens for homework solutions. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Google Lens app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So simply click on Google Lens app. Once you click on that, here you guys will see open camera. In my phone it's a screenshot, in your phone it will be different folder. So basically I have, for example, that type of homework. So I will simply click on the homework image. Here you guys will see select text. For example, I will simply select the question text. After that, Google Lens will simply search for it, and you guys will see all AI mode. So simply you guys can select all. In all, you guys will see similar images to your image, and there is a lot of answer will be available. But I will simply click on AI mode. Once I click on AI mode, it will say the question, and after that I can write anything, and once I write here anything, it will give me answer of my question. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.